In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Figma file to Adobe Illustrator. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Figma file open. You'll want to navigate to the specific Figma file that you wish to export. If you're unsure how to access your files, just log into your Figma account and all your projects will be listed for you. Click on the file you want to export, and let's move on to the next step. Once you're in your Figma file, take a look at the right sidebar. At the bottom, you'll find an Export option. Click on that, and this will open up your export settings. Don't worry if you're not familiar with all this at first. I'll walk you through it. Now, by default, Figma exports files in PNG format, but for Illustrator, we need to change this to SVG. So go ahead and click on the option that says Change File Type. From the drop-down menu, select SVG. This will ensure that the graphics retain their vector quality, which is crucial when working on illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. Next, look for a little icon that resembles 3 dots next to the SVG option. This will allow you to adjust some additional settings. Click on it and a menu will pop up. From here, select sRGB, which is the color space we typically want for web and digital designs. It's important to match the color settings with your file to maintain accuracy, especially when transferring to another platform. Now it's time to actually export the file. You'll see an option that says Export Group 2 or something similar, which is typically the default naming of the file. Go ahead and click on that to proceed with the export. Figma will start processing your request, and once it's done, the SVG file will be downloaded to your computer. Great. Now that you have the SVG file saved, it's time to open it in Adobe Illustrator. Just launch Illustrator and go to File, then select Open. When the file browser pops up, navigate to where you saved your Figma SVG file, select it, and click Open. Illustrator will automatically recognize the SVG format and import your design without any hassle. Once your SVG file is opened in Illustrator, you might want to check everything to ensure that it transferred correctly. All your layers should be intact, and you can make any adjustments you need from there. As a final step, once you're happy with your design, you can save your work in the Illustrator format. Just go to File, select Save As, and choose the AI format. This way, you'll have your file ready to go for any future edits or exports. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Figma file to Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy designing!